Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the H1 Smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to pair it with the Laxas Fit application. So the smartwatch or the smartband is using the Laxas Fit app that is available on Android and iOS. On this video, we are going to pair it with our Android smartphone. So we will download and install and of course set up the H1 Smartwatch with the Laxas Fit app. So if you are interested to see how the setup process for the H1 Smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and connect our H1 Smartwatch with our Android phone. And of course, the Laxas Fit app. So let's download the Laxas Fit application on Google Play Store. So let's search for the application. Again, the name of the app is Laxas Fit. Okay, so tap on install. Let's wait for it to complete the download and it will automatically install it in our Android smartphone. In just a few seconds, we'll have the Laxas Fit app. So 69.79 MB. It's now installing. And now the Laxas Fit is installed in our Android smartphone. So let's open the application. Tap on open. Agree to the user privacy policy and user agreement. We have here accessing our device's location while using the app. We have another permission here, physical activity, allow it. Access to your contacts, you can disable this if you don't want to use the Bluetooth call. In our case, we'll have a demo, so we will allow it. Okay, relative position, allow. And notifications, this is for the smart notifications, we will allow this. Make and manage phone calls, this is for the Bluetooth call. And let's wait to load. And let's wait for the Laxas Fit to load the dashboard. I have read and agree. You can register using your email or Google account. In our case, we'll log in directly. We'll not store our data here. And we have here an account has been established. Wait for it. Record this one if you like to store your data. Then tap on OK. Okay. Complete your profile. We'll put a fictitious name here. Okay, then tap on OK. Set successfully. We have here a permission. Laxas Fit once turned on the Bluetooth. We'll allow it. We need this to be able to pair our smartwatch with a support app or with a phone. Enable push notifications. Just look for the Laxas Fit app. We have here the Laxas Fit. Allow it. Allow. Go back. Go back. Then here on the bottom part, we have healthy, data, sports, and my. To pair your wearable, tap on my section. Then select add device. It will now search for our fitness tracker or smartwatch. So we have here several smartwatches without a name. Just to make sure that you select the right smartwatch, you can check the address here. So go to the settings sections. Okay, let's select the settings. Then let's check out the about section. So we have here the MAC address 8E66. Is it available here? Yes, we have it here. The third wearable, 8E66. Select the band or the smartwatch. Let's wait for the connection. It will show that you are connected when it is successful. Okay, connected successfully. Okay, Bluetooth pairing request. This is for the Bluetooth call. Let's make sure that this is our fitness tracker. Find device, and yes, we are connected. Let's double check the settings. Message reminder. You can disable some of the apps here that you are not using. Remember, we already activated the push notifications. Again, we did not tap on OK. Then 24-hour, it's 12, so we'll not activate this. Okay, we'll also disable the automatic activity tracking. Synchronous system time set successfully, and seems like everything's okay with our fitness tracker or smartwatch. Okay, go back. Can we add a phone book? Let's see. Import. We'll add this. Tap on OK. Refresh. Synchronize. Okay, as you can see, our fitness tracker updated. Let's see. Select the Bluetooth connectivity or the Bluetooth call section here. Contacts, and we have here the contacts. So that's it. We have a successful connection or pairing with our H1 Smartwatch with a support app, Laxas Fit, and of course the phone, the Android smartphone. Again, if you have any questions regarding the setup, drop a comment below, and if you find it useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.